Hi everyone. So let's discuss one question on chapter 1 functions for today. So we have a function defined by modulus for x minus 3 and we have to calculate f of negative 2 and f of negative 1 over 2 and we have to find the values of x such that fx equals to 1 and the domain where fx is less than 1 and the domain where fx is more than 5. Okay, so let me show you how to solve this question. First, we start with part A. So part A is a very direct question. You just need to substitute the object given to you, which is negative 2 and negative 1 over 2, into the position of x and apply the modulus. So let me rewrite. Fx is actually equivalent to modulus for x minus 3 close modulus. So f of negative 2 will be modulus 4 times negative 2 minus 3 and then close modulus. So f of negative 2 will be equivalent to 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 minus 11 is negative 11. Sorry, negative 8 minus 3 is negative 11. So you'll end up getting f of negative 2 is equals to positive 11 because the modulus will only change the negative answer to positive answer. So that is the solution for part A, the first section. So if we continue for f of negative 1 over 2, the procedure is the same. The answer will be open modulus 4 times with negative 1 over 2 minus 3 modulus. So f negative 1 over 2. So 4 times negative 1 over 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5. So it will be positive 5. As simple as that. So that is the answer, 11 and 5. Okay. Now we go to part B, values of x. That means the value of the object when the image is 1. So when it comes to this scenario, how to do? Very simple. You have to put 4x minus 3 equivalent to 1 or 4x minus 3 is equivalent to negative 1. You have to give both answers because the object is positive 1. So one positive and with modulus, you have to consider the positive and negative. So 4x is equivalent to 4. Therefore, x equals to 1 or 4x equals to negative 1 plus 3. So when you do negative 1 plus 3, you will end up getting 2. Therefore, x equals to 2 over 4, which is 1 over 2. So there are two answers, x equals to 1 or x equals to negative. X equals to 1 or x equals to 1 over 2. So that is the answer given here. Okay. Now we move on to part C of the question. Okay, so let me shift a little bit to the other side. Okay, so let me make a line here to separate. Okay, so part C is not so difficult. You just need to understand the question. They said in part C, the fx is less than 1. Okay, so when it comes to inequalities, you have to remember whenever it's less than a certain number, the fx must be in between the positive 1 and negative 1, like that. So that should be the way because it's less than. Less than always follows this particular way of writing. So it should be positive of whatever number given here and the negative of this number here. Okay, so negative 1 is less than the fx without the modulus, which is 4x minus 3 less than 1. So now what we need to do, we have to make the x subject. So in order to make the x subject, I need to eliminate the minus 3 and times 4. So first what I need to do, I need to plus 3 on every position in order to eliminate the negative 3 there. So negative 1 plus 3 becomes 2 less than 4x less than 4. And then the next step will be divide by 4 for every term so that I can make the x as a single subject. So it becomes 2 over 4, which is 1 over 2 equals to x equivalent to 1. So that is the solution for the part C. Okay. And then as we continue the other side, which is for part D. So let me show you here. Okay, for part D, it is not very difficult. It follows the same concept. Okay, so what we need to do this time, we are given more than 5. So fx is more than 5. So first write down the statement. Fx is more than 5. So when it comes to more than this symbol, you need to write fx is less than negative 5 or fx is more than positive 5. You have to write both statements. So what happens without the modulus, which is 4x minus 3 less than negative 5. So 4x is less than negative 5 plus 3. So 4x is less than negative 2. Therefore, x is less than negative 2 over 4. So x is less than negative 1 over 2. X is less than negative 1 over 2. Okay. So that will be the first answer. The other answer comes from here, which is fx. 4x minus 3 is more than 5. Therefore, 4x is more than 5 plus 3, which is 8. So 4x is more than 8. So x is more than 8 divided by 4. Therefore, x is more than 2. So that should be the second answer. First answer, x is less than or negative 1 over 2. Second answer, x is more than 2. And that should be the solution for this entire question. Thank you.